Hello, kids. It's Ava. Gather round, because today we're uncovering a masterpiece in the making, and it's starring someone very special. Can you guess who? That's right, it's our mystery boy. But wait, something's not quite right. He's got his eyebrows scrunched up, his lips in a grumpy line. Why, he's madder than a wet kitten in a rainstorm. Oh, what's up with those hair? It's wilder than a bunch of dancing dolphins. Ophelia has mixed a cerulean blue magic potion with your brush and gave him a crown of cerulean curls. Maybe he's mad because he can't tame those windswept waves. Look at those eyes. She's using the tiniest brush and the silver color to paint them like two sparkling puddles reflecting the sky after a rainstorm. She is the detective on this case. Let's all see how she would use those big, fluffy brushes to paint this boy's face, ears, nose, and hair. Maybe he ate a spoonful of too much broccoli soup for lunch. But wait, look at those teeth. You use the tiniest brush and the pale yellow to make them peek out in a cheeky grin. Even when he's mad, our mystery boy can't hide his playful side. Kids, tell us what you think. Why do you think he's mad? Can you share a time you felt like our mystery boy? Remember, it's okay to feel grumpy sometimes. It's all part of being human, or even dinosaur. Ophelia, you're like a color whisperer. See how you're using that big, fluffy brush to paint his face with soft orange? Maybe he devoured a whole bowl of muddy soup for breakfast. He might be clenching his fists, but those teeth hint at a giggle about to burst out, like a volcano waiting to erupt with laughter. Wow, Ophelia! You've not just colored a picture, you've painted a whole story. This isn't just a grumpy boy anymore. It's a canvas of emotions splashed with vibrant colors. You used your magic brushes and artistic detective skills to bring him to life. Remember, kids, every color tells a story, and yours are always the most wonderful adventures. The nose. You're not forgetting a single detail, Ophelia. Look how you're giving him a little button of a nose with that soft orange, like a cuddly bear cub snout. Look at those ears. And I see that you're using the same soft orange as his face, making them like two furry puddles under his windblown hair. Look at those eyebrows, scrunched up like mountains in a storm. This little dude could win first prize in the Mad Olympics, no questions asked. Let's all raise our brushes and wiggle our noses like grumpy mystery boy. The secret code is being revealed. Ophelia, you're adding the final clue, the tiny M tucked away on top of his head like a whispered explanation for his grumpiness. Now, we all know. Small letter as in mad. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and please take care and keep appreciating Ophelia's work. Also, love your parents, kids. We also love what we bring to you every time. See you next time.